We really appreciate the visionary leaders, the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has taken a bold step, replacing the 34-year-old education policy to make India capable India in all fields. So state government has already started partly implementation, and it will extend it to district-wise awareness program will go ahead, and fully it will be functionable very soon.
We have to identify the different weaknesses and the strengths and opportunities as well as threats across the state. The primary task of implementing this policy is to identify all these, strengths and the opportunity, so on and so forth. Unless we identify all those areas, it would be next impossible to come to the towns. And the department is doing so, and in today's panel discussion and the task force and the sub-task force so far made by the government is also the initiative so far to analyze all these.
On the skill development, vocational, and that way employability of our youths, the students, can be enhanced, and that way unemployment problems can be reduced. So that is another very good agenda we have just seen. And as for the research and various other integration of science, technology, engineering and management, along with the humanities and social sciences, and that way the multidisciplinary approach, etc., could be providing good avenues for the innovative and creative talents of the students.